Today I want to say big thank you to all of my Patreons. Because of their support, I was able to buy this little CNC machine. I bought this machine because, right now there is a big inflation all over the world, and I think the best way to protect our savings is to buy things that are useful to us. So I decided to buy tools and machines that will help me in my projects. This machine can engrave and cut wood and plastic. Let's see how the machine works. On this table you need to place the material that you want to engrave. This is the spindle. Here I have to put the engraving bit. The machine came with this set of bits. They are very sharp. There is a stepper motor here, and it moves the spindle to left and right. Something that I like about this machine is that it has these handles with which the spindle can be moved manually. In the same way here, a stepper motor and a handle moves the spindle up and down. Also, in the same way, the table moves in these directions. Here I made a small modification. I put limit switches. Most cheap machines don't have such switches, but they are very important for safer and easier operation of the machine, because without these switches the machine doesn't know exactly where the spindle is, and sometimes it can try to push it in a direction where it can't move anymore. I made a video about the installation of the limit switches. You can watch it on my other channel. The link is in the description. This is the main board of the machine. From here it connects to a computer. So you can engrave any pattern and shapes you have made on the computer. But you can also connect a joystick here. This is the joystick that the machine comes with. From here you can manually operate the machine, or you can insert a memory card with patterns for engraving. So the machine can work without a computer in your workshop. That was the video for today. Soon I will make one more video about this machine. I will show you how to use it to engrave on glass. Thank you very much for watching.